Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, let us journey together on how to create abstract art with OpenArt. So, let us begin. To get started, open your web browser and visit openart.ai. If you already have an account, simply log in to access your personalized dashboard. Now, click on Create from Scratch. On the left side of the screen, you will find a prompt field where your abstract art ideas come to life. For instance, imagine crafting, generate an abstract art piece inspired by the chaos of the cosmos and the serenity of nature, blending vibrant colors and intricate patterns. Feel free to add a unique twist using a negative prompt. Once your prompt is ready, just click Create. Now, behold the magic of OpenArt in action. And lo and behold, your abstract art masterpiece is now complete. Click on the image to explore its intricate details. It is as easy as that. Your imagination transforms into abstract art with just a prompt. Dive into a world of limitless creativity and craft stunning pieces that blend chaos and serenity with OpenArt. I hope this video helps you out. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.